Out and see what's going on. So I'm going to move the camera around here in the back so you can see the back of the machine. So the first thing we're going to need to do is remove 2 screws in the top here. The wind is blowing like crazy. So there's one right there and there's one over there. So we're going to remove those screws to be able to remove the cabinet. Now these screws are hard to find, believe it or not, so try not to lose that. Push this forward and get around here. Can't see me, it's not a big deal. But now once you take these 2 screws out, you want to pull this forward, lift it up, and flip it back. And just like that, one of the screws fell. You got to be careful not to lose the screws. Okay, so now we're going to come around here and look at this. Now these are the components. This is your water level switch. This is your water temperature switch. And this is your timer. So that's the only 3 things that are here. But what's important, if you're having water overflow or something, you want to make sure you check this line right here to make sure that this line don't have any pinholes in it all the way down, or that it hasn't come loose from the tub, because it does that sometimes. Also, the lid switch is right here. You can take and undo the harness right there, and you have to do that. Now, to take the cabinet off, you take a flat screwdriver, and you put it down in these clips. I'll give you a better shot on that. Let's look at that. Now these clips, they come out, you stick the screwdriver in, you push it back, and it pops up. See how it pops up? And that comes out just like that. So now you want to put these aside, because you're going to keep these if you're going to put it back together, because you got to have this. To take the cabinet off, you just lift the cabinet to you. Take one hand here, and just lift it out of the way. And now you're down to the nitty-gritty. So now, let's look at a few more things. Now, if you have room to lay it down like this, it's a lot easier to work on because you can see all the components right there. You got the motor, and you got the water pump, and you got the wiring harness all together, and you can check stuff out just like that. So now, let's take the water pump off. Show you how to take the water pump off. It's very easy, especially once you get it into this position. The water pump. Now, if you're changing your own water pump, it's not a big deal. You just need the power pliers to unhook the hoses. Make sure there's no water in the machine. Take that off. Just loosen that up. Pull it over out of the way. Loosen. This side is the drain side. This side comes from the tub. This side comes from the. This side goes to the pump outside. And then we're going to take these off. You just pull it out like that and twist it. It comes right out. Again, you have to save these parts if you're going to put it back together. And there's the second one. Now this is a direct drive, so there's no electricity to these pumps. What it does, it turns on this shaft here from the shaft from the motor. So it's very simple, very reliable. The next video, I'm going to test out the timer and the motor and see which one's not working. And I hope this video was helpful to you. Also, we're going to talk about the coupler on the next video. I'm going to take the motor off and show you how to change out the coupler, because that happens a lot if you put rugs or blankets in one of these machines. The coupler will break, and you have to have those changed. If you can't do it yourself, you have to pay someone to change it for you. So this is Harold with WorldTVOnDemand.com and Jackson Appliance Repair, Orlando, bringing you another video on the front of the top load Kenmore Whirlpool Washing Machine. They're very simple. I hope this was helpful to you. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and I'll have another one for you soon. You guys have a fantastic day.